Hi, I'm Maurice from Farming Revolution. This is our product, the Farming GT. And the Farming GT is a fully autonomous electric robot that does weeding in over 60 types of crops. And the idea is we have a camera that recognizes plants with an AI. And then we have mechanical tools that treat the plants between the plants and cut off the weeds. And on this machine, on top of the mechanical weeding, we also do the spraying solution where we use the TeeJet technologies to ensure that we have a spot of herbicide just on the crop. So here you see a sugar beet, and the sugar beet, we need to weed it, so we need to remove all the weeds and leave the sugar beet to have a clean field, and we do this with a mechanical solution, so we use no herbicides for that. The issue is there are always some weeds which are very close to the plant and we cannot remove because the sugar beet is very sensitive. So if we try to remove the weed, we will remove the sugar beet as well. So basically, the organic farmers, they remove this by hand. And what we developed now is to also put a spraying spot of herbicide just close to the sugar beet where the knives cannot go. So we have a solution which saves up to like 90 or 80% of herbicide because we do as much as possible mechanically and we only spray the herbicide on the area that cannot be treated mechanically. We use TeeJet technologies, right? Because we use the nozzles and make sure that we actually have a very small spot which is very precise for this kind of application, which is quite new. Because usually we use the big sprayer beams and have a broad application. But here we want to actually only hit the plants which are close to the sugar beet where we cannot go mechanically. So for this robot it was important to use TeeJet technologies, so the Dynajet valve, and also specific nozzle for spot spraying because we want a very specific pattern of small spots in order to save as much herbicide as possible. And in the collaboration with TeeJet we were able to develop this solution and been a great partner to make this happen.